The Vivosmart 5 came out back in 2022, and honestly, it nailed the basics. Slim band, solid health tracking, great battery life. It's the kind of tracker you forget you're even wearing, which is kind of the whole point. But it wasn't perfect. Garmin played it very safe here, and that came with trade-offs: no built-in GPS, limited workout options, a monochrome display, and a lot of reliance on your phone to fill in the gaps. Now fast forward to December 2025, and yeah, things are finally starting to move. The big thing everyone's talking about, the Vivosmart 6 looks very real. We've seen regulatory filings and placeholder product pages popping up across different regions, and Garmin doesn't usually do that unless a launch is getting close. This feels less like wishful thinking and more like, okay, this is actually happening. And then there's the upgrade that really matters: built-in GPS. If that rumor holds, it completely changes the feel of the Vivosmart lineup. No more carrying your phone just to track a run or a walk properly. You step outside, hit start, and the band does its thing on its own. Sure, other brands have done this before, but for the Vivosmart series, that's a pretty big shift. Another interesting detail floating around is the jump in activity profiles. The Vivosmart 5 keeps it pretty basic with around 13 sports modes, but leaks suggest the 6 could push past 30. That makes it feel way more flexible, especially for people who mix up their workouts instead of sticking to just steps and sleep tracking. Design-wise, don't expect Garmin to reinvent anything here. This still looks like it's staying firmly in the clean, minimal fitness band lane. Small screen, lightweight, comfortable, something you can wear 24/7 without thinking about it. Garmin knows who this is for, and they're clearly not trying to turn the Vivosmart into a Venue or a Forerunner. We're also hoping for a color display this time around. With 2026 right around the corner, that feels like a reasonable expectation. And hey, Garmin Pay would be a very welcome bonus too. Battery life is still the big question mark. If Garmin can stay close to the Vivosmart 5's week-long endurance, most people will be happy, especially if GPS doesn't completely drain it. That's something we'll have to wait and see. If these rumors pan out, this feels like Garmin finally saying, alright, let's give this band a little more freedom, nothing flashy, just smarter upgrades where they actually count. And if Garmin times this right, especially with an early 2026 launch, this could easily turn into one of those low-key, underrated wearables people recommend without even thinking about it. That's all for this one. Peace.